Now let's check out how the acceleration feels in this new BMW M440i. Left foot on the brake, right foot on the throttle. Wow! The car feels definitely much faster than 380 horsepower. The acceleration is brutal and so are the gear shifts. This car definitely feels faster than the BMW M550i, which we tested before that. So now let's check out what times did we get from this BMW M440i. We have the best 0 to 60 time in 4.1 seconds and a quarter mile of 12.5 seconds, which is pretty much what you get from the previous Model M4. Those are very impressive numbers and says that this car deserves an M badge.